Anyone else get the Jeffree Star mystery box? My camel got the Jeffree Star mystery box. Let's see what's inside.
Wow! Wow!
First up, there is a hat. I like this hat, except it kind of covers my eyes a little bit. I think we're gonna have to work on sizing for you to wear that hat. Yeah, I guess so. It's a nice bucket hat, nice lightweight, has the logo and his name on the front. I like that hat though. Like I said, we might have to work on sizing a little bit, but it is cute. Next we have 6 individual shadows. Yes, instead of a big palette, there are 6 individual shadows, some of which I think I have from a prior box. I'm going to have to check. We're going to scoot over so that you can get a closer look at the actual shades. We have Weirdo, Only Child, Glamour Shot, Mint Condition, CEO, and Scene Queen. Some of these are pressed pigments, and some are actual eyeshadows. I wish if they were going to send this type of a product, that they would send the empty palette in which to put them. But if they did that, then you wouldn't go back on the website and spend money to buy one. These do make nice little things to put in gifts and future giveaways. Yes, they do. We have a Velvet Trap lipstick in the shade Diet Mannequin. One of the nice things about this is that it is a magnetic closure. Yes, that is definitely helpful. Let's see if we can get it to... If you hear the click. And let's... Okay, help me out here, Fatima. Please do not swallow that. This is the shade, and I don't know if the camera picks it up or not, but it is embossed on the outside part with his logo. I thought this was kind of cute. I don't know if this is a filler item or a special edition item. It's a small little pocket travel mirror. And I don't know, Fatima, if you can see much of yourself in there. It's good for on the go for reapplying lipstick. And the top part does have a little clasp there, so you can hook it onto your backpack, your purse, whatever it is that you're carrying your makeup in. I thought it was kind of cute. Speaking of cute, Anne likes the pen. Yes, and again, I don't know if this is a filler item or a special edition item, but I like this pen. If you twist the bottom part, you get a blue ink pen, and the top part has the soft little stylus for use with iPads or iPhones or any other electronic equipment where you're having to scroll along or tap along on the screen. And I was just thinking the day before the box arrived, gee, I need to get me one of those stylus thingies again. And here it is. And then there is a great big cat. Yes, we got a mirror in the shape of a great big cat. Interesting. Yes, I think people like to collect the Jeffree Star mirrors. Yes, and it does seem he has that a lot on his website. From the first half of the box, I would say our favorites are the hat, the pen, and the big mirror. What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below. Did you get this box? And consider subscribing to our channel for more fun adventures. And now, moving right along with this video, we have an eyegloss powder called Stardacity. Doesn't that look nice and golden and shimmery? Oh, wow, this looks amazing. This is Skin Frost Cotton Candy Crime. And it is a combination blush and highlighter. And it does have a nice full-size mirror. I'm currently using not this one, but another combination blush and highlighter from Jeffree Star, and I'm very impressed and pleased with the balance between the two. It's not too much blush and it's not too much highlighter. It's a nice balance between the two. This is a lip balm, and it is in the shade Secretly Sweet. Okay, help me out. Don't swallow that, please. And let's see if we can get it to roll in an upwards direction. Come on, here we go. Slowly but surely. Okay, that is what it looks like. I'm not seeing it. Oh, I take that back. If I look very closely, I can see a little bit of the logo embossing, and it's kind of nice and shimmery. I look forward to putting this to use because the shade on this is called Cat's Meow. This is a velour liquid lip, and I gotta admit, I'm intrigued by the color. It's not exactly pink, but it's not exactly purple either. Yeah, it's somewhere in between. This ought to be intriguing. Next we have the gloss. That's what the box says, and it says Extreme Shine Vanilla Cream Soda Infused Juicy Delicious. Iconic on its own or over any lipstick. So let's grab it. Oh, wow, I like the packaging. Yes, the top of that does look adorable and snazzy and cute. And this is, you know, just clear gloss. I like the way, hopefully it shows up, I like the way that the doe foot is tilted at an angle. That makes it easier to apply. So I look forwards to this one. This is turning out to be a pretty good box. Yes, this is. And there are two Supreme Gloss Full Pigment Lip Glosses. Yes. And one is in the shade No Apologies, and one is in the shade Watermelon Soda. So let me grab those. Here they are. These look fun to me. I've taken a sniff of the watermelon. I wouldn't say it smells like watermelon, yet there is definitely a nice vanilla scent to it. So these go into the pile that I have of the lineup of what to try next. And if anyone is curious, today I am wearing a Jeffree Star Mini Lippy. This was from a prior box. Did not come in this one. This is in the shade Island, and I like the purple. That is a fun color. What did you like in the second half of the box? I'll be honest, I liked everything in the second half of the box. Yes, it was a little disappointing that there was not a full palette, yet I'm pleased with what we received. What do you think? Let us know. I'm nosy. Did you get this box? What do you think about Jeffree Star products? I want to know all the details. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. Come back for another video. Watch a video on the screen, because we have fun adventures and taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. This was an $85 box for 13 items. Those 6 individual eyeshadows count all as one item. The value was supposed to be $269. As near as I can tell, I tried to look on the website just to get a gist of, did we get the value that we were promised? As near as I can tell, I think the value, at least that I came up with, was around $275. So that's good if it came out a little ahead of the game. Yes, and as I said, I was pleased with most everything in the box. The individual eyeshadows really aren't my thing. A full palette would have been nice, yet all things considered, you got some good lip glosses there. Yes, I got some good lip products, so I can't complain about that end of it. So this time, instead of eyeshadow, we got lip products. So, what did you think? I know, we've asked you that like 3 times now. Hey, we're nosy over here. Tell us all the details. Thank you for watching today. Stick around and watch another video. We got some fun ones. Check out a playlist. We got some fun ones. See you later. Bye-bye.